Oak Hills, California is one of the most desirable areas in the high desert of Southern California. It boasts a commuter-friendly location, large equestrian lots, and plenty of off-road vehicle activity. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a Southern California real estate agent for Exp Realty. All my contact info is in the description below. Feel free to reach out by text, phone, or email. Now let's look at this Oak Hills home for sale.